If you're part of a remote IT team, you're probably looking for software that simplifies support, boosts productivity, and ensures a smooth workflow. GoTo Resolve claims to do all of that, but does it really live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into the best features of GoTo Resolve for remote IT teams, and by the end, you'll know if it's right for your business. Stick around because I'll also share some powerful alternatives that may even be better suited for your needs. Let's start with one of GoTo Resolve's standout features, remote support tools. Whether you're troubleshooting on a desktop or a mobile device, this software allows IT teams to access and resolve issues without needing to be physically present. It's particularly useful when you're dealing with geographically dispersed employees or clients. You can start a session in seconds, and the screen sharing capability is quick and reliable. But is it the most seamless experience? Well, it's close, but not flawless. Sometimes, connection issues can cause a delay in response times, which can be a big deal when troubleshooting urgent problems. Next thing, multi-platform support. GoTo Resolve works across a variety of platforms including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. This makes it an ideal choice for IT teams that deal with different operating systems and need a solution that covers all bases. However, while it's functional across these platforms, you may notice some features that work smoother on one operating system than the others. So, while it's versatile, it doesn't always deliver a uniform experience across all platforms. The third thing you should know about GoTo Resolve is its automation and ticketing system. IT teams can automate processes, which saves valuable time, especially when dealing with recurring issues. The ticketing system also helps you keep track of requests and issues. But let's be honest, the system could use more customization. The current setup doesn't offer as much flexibility as some of its competitors when it comes to tailoring workflows, which can slow down teams that require more complex solutions. Next, GoTo Resolve boasts integrations with popular tools. From Google Workspace to Microsoft 365, this software integrates well with a variety of apps, which is great for teams that use multiple tools in their daily operations. However, integration setup can sometimes feel a bit clunky. There are instances when syncing information across apps isn't as seamless as advertised. This is something to keep in mind if you're looking for a smooth, all-in-one solution. The fifth feature is security and compliance. GoTo Resolve offers end-to-end encryption, which is essential for maintaining privacy and security in remote support sessions. This is great for industries that are compliance-heavy, such as healthcare or finance. However, the software does fall short in offering granular control over user permissions. This can be a concern for larger teams where different levels of access are crucial. Finally, let's talk about pricing. GoTo Resolve is on the more affordable side compared to some other remote support solutions, especially for smaller teams. However, you do get what you pay for. While it's good for basic remote support, if you need more advanced features like extensive reporting, custom branding, or additional integrations, you'll find that other tools might give you more bang for your buck. So, is GoTo Resolve the best option for remote IT teams? While it has some great features, remote support, multi-platform compatibility, and solid security, it does have its limitations. If you're looking for something more robust, with deeper customization options and a smoother experience across multiple platforms, I recommend checking out Insert Competitor Software Name. Not only does it provide all the core features GoTo Resolve offers, but it also has superior integration options, customizable workflows, and a more user-friendly interface. And here's the best part. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, but you'll also be able to test out Insert Competitor Software Name with a free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your remote IT team's productivity and efficiency. Check the link in the description for all the details.